Guys, £3.78 for this two-piece amazing high-pressure filtered shower head. This shower head filters all impurity and mineral that can damage your skin and hair, leaving you with a healthier skin and hair. It's so affordable. You have got four different modes on it, and all you do is just to screw it. It took me less than 3 minutes to screw it on. Guys, can you see the pressure of the shower head? This is very powerful. Great pressure on its filters. I'm gonna link the shower head down below in the yellow basket. Do wait to get one for yourself before it's £3.78 for two, and you can have option for one or four or